Let us see more question. Now the question is 1 upon 1 into 2. It is not 1 decimal 2. 1 upon 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 into 4 plus last is 1 upon n into n plus 1 equal to n upon n plus 1. This we have to prove. Now we can mark it as 1. We have to prove it. Now again take n equal to 1 means only the first term. So it is 1 upon 1 into 2. It is what? 1 by 2. Similarly, putting n equal to 1 here, 1 upon 1 plus 1 equal to 1 by 2. So, both the sides are equal. 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the result is true for n equal to 1. Then again the second step, suppose the 1 is true for n equal to k. It means instead of n, we have to put n equal to k. So, it can be written as 1 upon 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 and the last is 1 upon k into k plus 1 is equal to k into k plus 1. Just replacing n by k. Now with the help of this we have to prove the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. It means instead of n in the statement we have to put n equal to k plus 1. Therefore it becomes starting from the beginning 1 upon 1 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 into 4. Putting n equal to k plus 1, it means k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1, it is equal to k plus 2. Similarly, in the right hand side, it is what? K plus 1, it is what? K plus 1 plus 1. So, it is what? K plus 1 upon k plus 2. Now, this we have to prove with the help of second. Now, here again, as we have done in the previous question, we rewrite this here left hand side. It is up to this. Now, k plus 1 into k plus 2. Now, the number before it will be what? 1 into k, 1 upon k plus 1 into k plus 2. Now, we can write it here, the one number before it will be same. 1 upon k into k plus 1. We can easily write 1 upon k into k plus 1 and the last number is 1 upon k plus 1 into k plus 2. If you can easily write from it, you can write from it. Otherwise, you can just, the number before it will be what? Because the natural number before k plus 1 will be what? K. So, it is what? 1 upon k into k plus 1 plus 1 upon k plus 1 into k plus 2. Again using here, again we know using 2, the sum up to this is equal to what? K upon k plus 1, putting this value using 2, k upon k plus 1 plus 1 upon k plus 1 into k plus 2. Now again 1 upon k plus 1 is common. We left with k here plus 1 upon k plus 2. Again simplifying, taking LCM, it is what? K square plus 2k plus 1. Again it is what? K plus 1 whole square. 1 upon k plus 1 into k plus 1 whole square upon k plus 2. Now simplifying these two terms, we are having here k plus 1 upon k plus 2. That is our what? Right hand side that we have to prove. It means we have proved that the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. So therefore last we have to write by PMI, Pn is true for all n. Now let us see the another question. Now the question is we have to prove 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3, because here it is up to n equal to 2n upon n plus 1. See here 1, second term 1 into 1 plus 2, third term 1 into 1 plus 2 plus 3, fourth term it will be what? 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Similarly in the nth term 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. It is moreover given in the statement. This we have to prove 2n upon n plus 1. Now again take n equal to 1 means only the first term, that is equal to 1. Again putting n equal to 1 on the right hand side. 2 into 1 upon 1 plus 1. It is by 2 equal to 1. Both the sides are equal, which is 2. It means our statement is true for n equal to 1. So assume that Pn is true for n equal to k. It means only we have to replace n by k in the statement on both sides. It means 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2, again plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3, last is 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k equal to 2k upon k plus 1. Now we shall prove the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. Now again replacing n by k plus 1 on both sides. Now starting from the beginning, 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus the last term is 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k plus 1 equal to 2 into k plus 1 upon k plus 1 means k plus 2. This we have to prove with the help of second step. Now again taking its left hand side. Now we can easily write the one term before it. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now the term before it, it will be what? 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k plus this term as it is. Now here again up to this we know this sum using 2. The sum is equal to 2k upon k plus 1. Putting this value here using 2. Now it can be written, you can mention it here what? Using 2. So it is what? 2k upon k plus 1. Now let us simplify this term. This is 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k plus 1. It is an AP. The numbers are up to what? K plus 1. And we know the sum of n terms of AP is what? N by 2 upon n by 2 into a plus l. First term plus last term. Number of terms are what? K plus 1. It is can be written as n equal to k plus 1 by 2. First term is here 1. Last term is here k plus 1. So k plus 1 by 2 into k plus 2 by 2. Now we can replace this expression by what? We know the sum of all these terms is equal to what? K plus 1 into k plus 2 by 2. Putting this value here. Is it clear? Now 2k upon k plus 1 taking reciprocal 2 upon k plus 1 into k plus 2. Again simplifying. What is common? 2 upon k plus 1 is common in both here. We can take it common. It can make our calculation easy. 2 upon k plus 1 is common. We left with here what? K plus 1 upon k plus 2. Again 2 upon k plus 1 by taking LCM and simplifying. K square plus 2k plus 1 upon k plus 2. Again here 2 upon k plus 1, it is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square means k plus 1 whole square upon k plus 2. Then simplifying these two terms, 2 into k plus 1 upon k plus 2. And this is our what? Right hand side. This is our what? The right hand side. We have to put it here what? Right hand side. Therefore, we have proved that pk plus 1 is true whenever the result is true for n equal to k. Therefore, by PMI, Pn is true for all n. Only this type of questions are there in the exercise. This unit has 3 types of question. Only first type of question we have done today. The rest of other type questions that we will do tomorrow. Now you have to try the question based upon this. These are almost the question 1 to 10. You have to do from your exercise 4.1. This is your homework. This is all about today. Thank you. Have a nice day.